Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you some simple methods using which you can fix your Microsoft Word that suddenly stops working. To get started, simply search for services. From here, find the print spooler service, double click on it and set the startup type to manual and save the change. Now restart your computer once and see if this fixes the issue or not. In the next method, search for Word. Open it, then go to Options. From here, click on Add-ins. At the bottom, select COM add-ins and click on Go. Disable all the add-ins you see here. Restart your Microsoft Word and see if this helps fix the issue or not. In the next method, open Word. Go to Account. Click on Update Options and update your Microsoft Word. Sometimes a backdated Microsoft Word version can also trigger the issue. In the next method, search for Control Panel. From here, go to Programs and Features. Select your Microsoft Word and click on Change above. Now you'll get two options, Quick Repair and Online Repair. Perform Quick Repair first and if required, do the online repair. However, if this also does not fixes the issue, then check the video description. You may need to uninstall your Microsoft Word and reinstall it back. So once the repairing process is done, simply close this window and start your Word and see if it works or not. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.